Well, good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Wanda Davis coming to you to show you how to create a web page in Trinket. So, what is Trinket? Trinket lets you run and write code in any browser on any device. It works instantly. There's no need to log in if you've already created an account. You don't have to download any plugins or install any software. So it's an open source platform for anyone who wants to learn how to create web pages in using HTML5. You can create code in Python in Trinket. You can create programs using Java in Trinket. So it's an awesome open source platform. The first thing you would need to do is you would need to sign up in Trinket. And what you would do is, you put your name and all that information in here, okay, with your email address. I'm already signed up in Trinket, and your password, and then you click sign up. It is important for you to write that information down. You can put it in your phone, save it in your phone somewhere so that you know you can log into Trinket whenever you like to go out there and create a page. So because I am already in Trinket, I'm going to go in and click on login. And let's see if I can put in your login information, and it comes up right here. So I'm using Trinket.io. As you can see up here, this is how you get into it, the Trinket. Okay. When you want to create your page, you click on New Trinket. You select the code or the markup language that you would like to create your program in. So I'm going to do HTML5. You click on that, and it comes up with an untitled. So the first thing you want to do is title it. It always comes up with your first page is always index.html. It's always index.html, and the reason for that is because that is your first web page. Here you want to title it. So let's say we're going to title this All About Me. Okay. So the first thing that you want to put in your web page is these doc type. Okay. And then you always want to put in your head. And I put the head in there. Notice that it came up with a beginning and a closing tag. And what goes between the head really is your title. So if you want to put, and that comes up with the opening and closing tag. So everything that's between these tags, then the next is for your body. Okay. Comes up with that, hit that. And then your last tag is always your /HTML. Okay, then up here, let me put page. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is your standard markup language for creating a web page in Trinket, and it's an HTML5 web page. So you start off with your starting tag HTML that's letting the system know, the computer know that this is an HTML5 web page because you have doc type in front of it. You start off with your beginning code, which is HTML. It's going to automatically put in your ending code. You just space that down to put in the code between. Then I always put in my head tags, and as you saw, it came up, it also produced the ending tag. So you have a beginning tag and an ending tag. Another name could be elements, okay? And then your title tag. So if you want to put a title in such as all about me, like that, okay? Another thing that I put in between this is my paragraph tag, okay? Notice it gave me a beginning tag and an ending tag, okay? So anything, Control Z, anything between these tags, click here. So if it's highlighted in blue as you saw, you want to click to get rid of that highlight. Anything that goes between these tags is what will show over in your output. So this is your input side, your left side. This is your output side, your left side. Okay, your right side, I'm sorry. Okay, so now what we want to do is say we want to build a web page all about me. Okay, so what I'm going to do is show you, I'm going to say, Dr. all about me. So I'm just typing this in. I'm just putting something in. What I want to do, because this did go, let's just hit enter here. Okay, I always space my stuff over. Okay, so as you notice, it printed out here. Okay, so now the next thing that I want to show you is I want to again, everything that's between the paragraph prints here, but I want to give this a heading. So right under the body, I want to type in the heading 1. Okay. Let's see something. Let's see. So it gives me a heading 1, heading 2. Okay, I'm going to change this and put it under the body. And I always put an extra, so the heading 1 is going to be all about me. Notice that right there. So your heading 1, there's different types of heading. You have heading 1s. So I put that in as an all about me. Now I'm going to put in a heading 2 so that you can, heading 1 is your largest heading. Okay, let's do a heading 2. I'm moving a little too fast here. And it gives me a beginning heading 2 tag and an ending. Now in this here, I'm going to say all about me. So my heading 2 is a information technology instructor. Like that. Notice the difference in the size of the heading, okay? And I'm going to just copy and paste. Well, no, I don't want you to get into the habit of copying and pasting. You learn the code really by typing it in. Okay, so in this paragraph, I'm going to say, I've in class and remotely over the last 7 years. Teaching in class actually over the last 21 years and remotely over the last 7 years, okay? So we're just going to correct some things here so that it reads, I've been teaching in class over the last 21 years and teaching remotely over the last, okay? We'll do that like that. Notice that when I put it on the other line, it did not move it. It did not affect what's on in the output. And I've been teaching remotely. That is both synchronous and asynchronous over the last 7 years. So now, this is how you create and set up your document as a web page. Now I'm going to show you how to, if you want to, so that's how you create a basic web page. To save that, you would come up here and all you would do is just click on save. Okay? You just click on save. Okay? You click on save, and that's all about me. You click save, okay? And then what happens is all of your work begins to appear because all you have to do is click on my trinkets and all of the work that you've done and saved, you created and saved will show up in my trinkets. Okay, if you want to download this trinket to your computer, all you need to do is click on the hamburger that's right here and you would click on download. You also can show this in different font size. That's the larger font size. That's the small, that's the even larger, much larger. But I always keep it at this font size. So this is the hamburger. And to download it, you can click on download. Oh, one more thing. If you want to see it in full screen, you click full screen and it comes up like that. Okay, to take it out of to take it off of full screen, you just hit your escape key. Okay, so now let's download it. You click on download and it downloads into your download file. But my suggestion when this happens, you need to go into your yellow folder here, which is at the bottom of the taskbar. Go into your download. Now that trinket is called All About Me. Go into your download, and that's trinket. Here it is right here. It's called All About Me. Now what you will need to do, you see the zip here. You will need to extract this in order to see the file. So you would click on you would right click on your mouse, and then you would click Extract All, and you would say Extract. Now it comes up as a document HTML file. Okay? So this here completes my sharing on how to create a web page using Trinket.io, which is an open source platform, and it's free for anyone who wants to learn how to create a web page. Again, this is Dr. Wanda Davis. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope the video was helpful. Until next time, enjoy your day.